Little Amy Club.
Hi, little artists! Are you ready to draw a cute caterpillar? Let's draw together. First, let's draw a big, round head. Nice job! Now, draw two little eyes. Add a happy smile. So cute! Next, draw two tiny antennae on top. Now let's draw the body. Draw big round circles one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Next, let's draw the little legs. Tiny legs underneath the body. Great work. Now it's time to color. Color the head light green. Color the first body part red, then color orange. Next is yellow, then green, now blue, next dark blue, and finally purple. Awesome. The legs are pink. Good job! Let's add a little shadow. Add a little shine. So shiny! Your rainbow caterpillar looks amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.